Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore state management after app restart with Redux Persist, complete guide step by step clearly. In this guide, we will walk you through restoring state management after an app restart using Redux Persist. First, ensure you have Redux and Redux Persist installed in your project. You can do this by running npm install Redux Persist. Next, create a Redux store if you haven't already. Import the necessary methods from Redux and Redux Persist. You'll need create store from Redux and persist store and persist reducer from Redux Persist. Set up your root reducer or your main applications. Wrap your root reducer with persist reducer, passing in your persist configuration and the root reducer itself. Create a persist configuration object. This object should contain a key, usually the name of your app, and a version property. Now, create your Redux store using the createStore method. Pass in the persisted reducer as the reducer argument to createStore. Next, initialize the Redux Persist store by calling persistStore. Now, you can set up your main application component. Wrap your main component with the provider from React Redux. Pass your store as a prop to the provider. You'll also need to wrap your app component with PersistGate from Redux Persist. This ensures that the app will only render once the rehydration process is complete. Provide a loading component as a prop to PersistGate to show while loading. Now, let's dive into setting up your state in the Redux store. Create actions and reducers that will manage your application state. Make sure to update your state as needed based on user interactions. When you want to save your state, Redux Persist will automatically handle this for you. You can test the implementation by making changes to your state, then restarting the app. Upon restart, you should see that your state persists as intended. This completes our guide on restoring state management after an app restart with Redux Persist. Congratulations, you've successfully integrated Redux Persist into your application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.